Agent O Weather. Yeah. And his pals. Today, we expected to have nothing actually. It's pretty clear today. But Wednesday update here. Saturday, it's gonna look pretty nice. Not too shabby. High is 72, low is 51 again. And then it's going to be cooler on Sunday and rainy most of the afternoon through dinner time. So then we have a very fast, slow moving rainstorm on Sunday from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. just through the metro. Now, once it hits the border, once it gets past Hudson, once it gets across the border, it's going to start to dissipate. And Hudson, it's also going to get pretty low down over in Hudson. Here's the radar. See this? Yeah, this is the more rainy pack until it reaches here. Then right here. And that's when it kind of dives down. And then this whole storm just keeps rotating and causes a lot of rain and possibility for flash flooding, but not, so probably minor flooding. Maybe probably moderate, but you're not going to expect anything too severe. I don't think there's going to be any flash flooding, just a lot of constant pouring rain. It's probably going to provide a lot of water. And hopefully these trees will have more leaves falling. Be pretty, but hopefully it keeps cool. Because if it does, more leaves will fall. And the fall time will get more folly. Stay tuned. See you next time on Agent O Weather.